Oppo K12 Plus is a recently launched mid-range 5G phone. It has a fast refresh rate AMOLED display, Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, a 50 megapixel dual camera, and a lightweight design. Today, I'll share the unboxing and first impressions of the Oppo K12 Plus, which was just launched. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more awesome tech videos. Now, let's start the unboxing. Here's the Oppo K12 Plus box in white. You can see the phone's branding on top. Let's remove the plastic wrap. Inside the box, you'll find a charger, data cable, user manual, and a protective case. This is the 80-watt power adapter, which has a Type-A output. Here's the white Type-C to Type-A data cable, which supports 8-ampere power output. You also get a SIM ejector tool and a protective case with matte finished sides. Let's remove the plastic wrap from the phone and talk about its design and build. This time, it comes with a flat screen design, and the display is 6.7 inches. It also has a pre-installed screen protector. There's a punch hole in the center for the selfie camera. The back of the phone is in white, called Snow Peak White, but there's also a black color option. The back has unique textures, and when you tilt the phone, you can see different textures from different angles. The phone has a vertical camera arrangement with 2 camera lenses and a dual LED flash. The main camera is 50 megapixel with a Sony IMX882 sensor, and the secondary is an 8 megapixel Sony IMX355 ultra-wide camera. The phone has a flat frame with the power button and volume rocker on the right side. At the top, there's a speaker, IR blaster, and secondary noise cancellation mic. At the bottom, you'll find the SIM tray, primary microphone, Type-C port, and bottom firing speaker. There are no antenna lines on the phone's frame, which means the frame is made of plastic. While it has a flat screen, if you look closely, you can see a slight curved arc. Holding the phone feels average due to the flat screen design, but it's lightweight, so you can hold it for a long time. The phone weighs around 193.6 grams, and despite having a large 6400 mAh battery, it still feels light. The phone supports 80-watt fast charging. For biometric security, it has an under-display fingerprint sensor, but the sensor is placed quite low. The unlocking speed is relatively fast. There are 19 pre-installed apps, which you can uninstall. As for the display, it has a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with very thin bezels, but the chin is slightly larger. The phone has a full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It also features a diamond frame design for better protection. There's 2160Hz PWM dimming and DC-like dimming for advanced eye protection. The phone comes with dual stereo speakers. As for the cameras, the ultra-wide camera has a 16mm focal length with 0.6 as zoom, while the main camera has a 26mm focal length and supports up to 20x digital zoom. The main camera can record 4K videos at 30 FPS, and the front camera can record Full HD videos at 30 FPS. The phone runs on ColorOS 14, which is based on Android 14 and is highly optimized. For performance, the Oppo K12 Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, built on TSMC's 4nm platform. The highest variant comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB storage, and it uses UFS 3.1 storage. You can check its Antutu benchmark score for performance. It scores around 900,000 points, which you can compare with other phones in this segment. Now let's look at the performance test, specifically for gaming. We tested the heavy game Genshin Impact. After playing for 30 minutes at high-quality settings with 60 FPS, the average frame rate dropped to 37.6 FPS. The front temperature reached 42.9 degrees, while the back temperature reached 41.7 degrees. This shows that this phone may not be suitable for heavy gaming. Talking about the price of the Oppo K12 Plus, the base variant with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage starts at 1,999 Chinese yuan in China, around £195 in the UK, and about $253 in the USA. In conclusion, the phone has a good display and comes with stereo speakers, providing a nice multimedia experience. The camera quality is above average. I will show camera samples in a detailed review video, so stay connected with our channel. If you want to do average gaming, this phone is fine, but it may lag with heavy gaming. So, what do you think about the Oppo K12 Plus? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Finally, subscribe to our channel for more great tech videos. I'm signing off now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.